to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Dear student, today I am going to take your business letter. We all must know there is the business. In this process of business, there are two parties. First one, there is the purchaser, buyer. Second one, that is seller. It means two parties, purchaser and seller. Then there will be the letters. I take your first letter. First of all, we see the ad in newspapers. We see the demand in the market of any article, of anything. Then we want to place order. But before placing the order, we want to know about the price of those particular things and the terms and conditions of the trade. Now it is to be understood, first letter will be demanding terms and conditions of the trade and price list of goods. This is our first letter. Second, who is the supplier? Means seller. There will be second letter from the side of the supplier. The supplier will write a letter, that will be business letter, supplying the terms and conditions of the trade and price list of goods. When the buyer who looks into the price list and terms and conditions, then if these terms and conditions and price list of goods suit the purchaser, then what will he do? He will place the order. Now the letter will be placing the order for XYZ goods. This will be from the side of purchaser. The particular letter will reach to the supplier. Then the supplier will write a letter supplying the goods. It means execution of the order. The order which has been placed by the purchaser will be supplied by the seller, by the supplier. And after this, the order has been supplied, executed. Then goods will be looked into by the purchaser. If there are some defects, there is any problem, if there is any complaint, then there will be the next letter from the side of purchaser to the supplier complaining about the goods and request for replacement. This letter will reach to the supplier. The supplier will know regarding the problems, defects or complaints. Then he will remove the problem and will write a letter to the purchaser to send back the goods for replacement. When this letter is received by the purchaser will send the defective goods to the supplier. Then the supplier will execute the particular order replacing the defective articles, and then this letter will reach, again will go through. Then the purchaser will write a letter of thanks for replacing the goods, for removing the problem. Before this, when we all have to know, the purchaser placed the order but the supplier didn't reply, didn't take any action, didn't execute the order, then the purchaser will cancel the order. This letter will be cancelling the order. And if the order has been executed and the purchaser received the order, as per terms and conditions, the payment was not cleared in time, then the supplier will write a letter to the purchaser to clear the dues. It means it will be non-payment of dues and will request, please clear the dues which have not been cleared. So there is a chain, and this chain is to be taken one by one. Then this will be the process of writing business letter. For it, we have to try to know the characteristics of business letters. First of all, we all have to know at the top there will be self-address. It means address of the writer of the letter. After leaving one line, there will be the date. Then there will be letter number. After leaving one line, then there will be address inside. It means to whom we are going to write the particular letter. After that, there will be subject, and after subject, leaving one line, then there will be salutation, and there will not be any irrelevant matter. Letter must be very short and to the point, making the content very clear, and there will be the body. After body, then there will be left hand side, yours faithfully, name along with signature. So this is the process of letter writing. In next letter, I'll take letters one by one in detail. Thank you very much.